If you're looking for a great set of blue light blocking glasses, you're going to want to check these out. I absolutely love these. I wear blue light blocking glasses usually at night, not typically during the day. It just helps me go to sleep. It just winds me down, kind of like if you're looking at a lot of screens. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this, everything you get. You're going to get two cleaning squares with this, and you get 2 packs of glasses. You also get this right over here. I'm going to show you these up close right over here. So this is the box that they come in. This is what they look like specifically. This is the clear pair. I like the fact that they're a little more trendy looking. They're not kind of like the dorky looking ones that you typically get. You got the nice little eye kind of holders right over here. Really, really nice. These do have UV protection. These are going to be great for gaming as well. So if you do a lot of gaming on the television or even your computer, this is going to be great for that. It's really going to help you. Also, it's one thing to note, if you typically wear glasses, these cannot go over another pair of glasses. You'll see if I have these on, they're pretty tight to my face. So you're not going to be able to put on, I guess a good example would be to try to put these on like that. It doesn't work, so just know that. You're going to get this black frame right here, which is my favorite. And then you also get a silver kind of clear, actually let's call this clear one right over here. So you get these two right over here. I kind of like the black ones. They're kind of a little bit more my style. They are super comfortable. They don't fall off your face. I'm kind of just going all around. I have gotten ones in the past that kind of like droop down, which kind of defeats the purpose, which is annoying. These are pretty, I wouldn't say they're like tight, uncomfortable, but they do fit really, really well. And I really like them a lot. I could definitely notice a difference when I'm looking right now. I'm looking at a camera and a screen, and it's definitely much brighter when I take these off. So it's just not a pair of glasses that don't work. So if you're looking for some great blue light blocking glasses, definitely check these out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.